Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, key contenders for AMCA production. Tata Advanced Systems Limited and Larsen & Toubro have emerged as the leading contenders to spearhead the production of India's ambitious advanced medium combat aircraft, the country's indigenous 5th generation stealth fighter, according to sources. A recent pre-bid meeting highlighted the two firms' strong credentials, with TASL leveraging its experience in aircraft manufacturing and L&T bringing its engineering expertise and involvement in the Tejas Mk-1A program. Next, Japan offers IHI XF-9-1 engine for India's AMCA program. In a significant development for India's advanced medium combat aircraft program, Japan has offered its advanced IHI XF-9-1 low bypass afterburning turbofan engine for co-development and potential local production, as first reported by Indian Defence Research Wing. Sources have now informed that Japan has invited a team from India's gas turbine research establishment to review the XF-9-1 engine and prepare a technical report, paving the way for deeper discussions between the two nations. However, Japan's commitment to the Europeans' 6th generation global combat air program alongside the UK and Italy raises questions about its willingness to fully develop the XF-9-1 for India, with competing offers from France, Safran, and the UK's Rolls-Royce, and India aiming to finalize an engine deal by the end of 2025. The AMCA program faces a critical juncture in selecting a propulsion partner to power its 5th generation stealth fighter. Next, Zorawar light tank to feature Trophy APS. India's indigenous Zorawar light tank, a pivotal asset in the Indian Army's modernization drive, is set to incorporate the advanced Trophy active protection system to counter modern battlefield threats. According to sources, the prototype of the Zorawar is gearing up for Army user trial in 2025, with the initial batch of 59 tanks produced by Larsen & Toubro slated to feature this cutting-edge Israeli-developed system. This development comes as the DRDO continues work on its own indigenous APS, which remains under development. The Zorawar, a 25-ton light tank designed for high-altitude operations, has been developed by DRDO's Combat Vehicles Research and Development Establishment in collaboration with L&T to address operational challenges along India's northern borders, particularly in Ladakh, with the Indian Army planning to procure 350 units in the long term. The first batch of 59 tanks represents a critical step forward toward enhancing combat readiness against adversaries like China. Next, Tata Advanced System drops F-21 from website. In a notable development in India's defense manufacturing landscape, Tata Advanced System Limited has quietly removed all references to the F-21 fighter aircraft from its official website. The F-21, offered by Lockheed Martin as a customized variant of the F-16 for the Indian Air Force multi-role fighter aircraft deal, had long been part of TASL's partnership with the American aerospace giant. The removal now signals a possible shift in focus and strategic alignment for the Indian defense firm. Next, Sinopec Axis may deploy high-flying swarm drones. Indian defense analyst Saurabh Jha has raised alarms about a potential new threat from the Sino-India axis, suggesting that China and Pakistan may be developing high-altitude swarm drones designed to manure India's air defense system. According to Jha, these drones could fly beyond the reach of conventional anti-aircraft guns like L-70, aiming to exhaust India's air defense missile stockpiles before launching cruise missiles and ballistic missiles. The evolving tactic underscores the growing complexities of aerial threats facing India and the urgent need to bolster its multi-layered air defense architecture. Swarm drones, small, coordinated, unmanned aerial systems, have emerged as a disruptive force in modern warfare due to their low cost, versatility, and ability to overwhelm traditional defenses. Next, RFP issued for hardware simulators. The Combat Aircraft System Development and Integration Center, a premier laboratory under the DRDO, has issued a request for proposal for the supply of hardware simulators of avionics line replaceable units for integration and testing of electric warfare suite of Su-30 MKI. This initiative is a critical step in advancing the Indian Air Force Super Sukhoi upgrade program aimed at modernizing its fleet of 272 Sukhoi Su-30 MKI multi-role fighters with an indigenous state-of-the-art EW suite to enhance survivability and combat effectiveness. The RFP underscores the need for an advanced avionics rig to facilitate rigorous testing of the indigenous EW suite in a high-fidelity integrated environment. Next, Indian Army bolster air defense with procurement of 10 low-level lightweight radars. To strengthen its air defense capabilities against a wide array of aerial threats, the Indian Army has initiated the procurement of 10 low-level lightweight radar systems. These advanced tactical surveillance systems are designed to detect low-flying threats including swarm drones and miniature aerial vehicles, and can be deployed across diverse terrains and operational conditions. This move underscores India's commitment to enhancing its air defense network to counter evolving threats in a rapidly changing security landscape. Low-level radars are critical tactical assets used to detect aircraft and other aerial objects flying at low altitudes, where larger, more powerful strategic radars may face limitations. Acting as gap fillers in the air defense ecosystem, these systems provide crucial situational awareness by identifying threats that evade high-altitude radar coverage. Next, delivery of Rafale's X-Guard decoy system. India is accelerating efforts to acquire the X-Guard fiber optic towed decoy system from Israel's Rafale advanced defense system to enhance the survivability of its Rafale fighter jets in contested airspace, according to a report by the Economic Times. The move comes as the Indian Air Force seeks to strengthen and self-defense capabilities of its 36 Rafale jets, which have proven their mettle in high-stakes operation like Operation Sindoor in May 2025. The X-Guard is a state-of-the-art reusable towed decoy system designed to protect fighter aircraft from advanced radar-guided air-to-air and surface-to-air missile integrated with the Rafale's Spectra electronic warfare suite. The X-Guard mimics the aircraft's radar signature, creating a false target that diverts incoming missiles away from the jet. Thank you.